It's Lizzie again, and I am the discount vegan. I make budget friendly recipes and teach you how to garden even in the smallest spaces so that you can save money on food so you can spend it wherever you need, wherever you want. If that sounds good to you, then take a second and hit that subscribe button. So now that you've taken care of that business, we can get on to something fun. Who doesn't love chili fries? I know I do. I have pretty much spent the last week gorging down chili fries in two different ways to show you how you can have a cheap and cheaper version of chili fries. One has the delicious and delectable Gardeins ground veggie ground, which you can use whatever veggie ground you want, TVP, whatever. And the other, the cheaper version, is using lentils. So if this sounds good to you, continue watching. Okay, so this is super simple. Throw those fries onto your pan. I always put parchment on mine because my pans are old, but throw parchment on, and I get the McCain straight cut fries from Costco, so I get a lot. So yeah, just spread them all out. Obviously, I hope you know how to do fries. Sprinkle them with salt, just a pinch, just to kind of give them some extra flavor and help the seasonings, which is chili seasoning, obviously, chili fries, chili seasoning on your fries, and sprinkle that over. Now, I do recommend, if you want an even coat, you probably are going to want to mix this through, but I did not, so there's that. And lastly, nooch is your friend. Sprinkle some nutritional yeast on top as well. It gives it that kind of nutty flavor, a little cheesy. It's not really actually cheesy, but it sort of is. And once you're done that, then they can go in the oven. Read your instructions on whatever bag you get. And in the meantime, let's start out with the Gardeins beefless ground beef version. And I'm just putting a cup in, defrosting it in the pan along with the chili seasoning and a little bit of salt. The exact measurements you can find on my post. The link will be down in the description box as well. And I'm just literally cooking this. It doesn't take long, just long enough to defrost, and then add in your ketchup. Ketchup is just perfect. It's got the acidity, it's got the sweetness, and the tang and everything, but it is a little thick. So you do want to kind of just thin it out a bit so that it's not so thick, just enough to get a good sauce going. And obviously that'll depend on what kind of ketchup you end up buying. Some are a little bit more runny than others, but this is what you want. So now that that's done, let's get on to the lentil version, and literally just throw the lentils in. This is canned lentils, so they're already cooked. Don't have to worry about that. The same chili and salt mix goes in. I love getting every single drop of seasoning because, I mean, that's where the flavor is, right? So just do the same exact thing. You're just doing it with lentils. It's whatever is easiest and whatever works for you, essentially. And that's all you have to do.
Okay, so these are the two chili fries, the Gardine's veggie ground that looks like this. It looks amazing. And then, of course, we have the lentil version as well. Cheap and cheaper. So let's try this out. Now, keep in mind, like I said, I love spicy. So if you want to add a little bit less chili powder, go right ahead. So let's see. I also add basil from my garden because it's just so good on everything. Let's get a little of everything here. Missed that basil leaf. It has an immediate kick of spice that's really the prominent of it, but after that you have a little sweet, a little salty, you have crunch, you have the plushy texture of the inside of the fries. I mean, veggie ground, you can't go wrong. It's so stinking similar. So let's try lentil. Again, get a little of everything here. It is so hot in my home right now, it's insane. The lentil one is a lot softer, but it's a little bit more filling. So if you're looking for something to that effect, it's perfect. But either way, whichever one you choose to make, these will be amazing. So on that note, I actually want you to click up here and let me know which one you would go for. Lentil chili fries or Gardine's veggie ground chili fries. Let me know in the poll and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what you'd like to see. Click the like button. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.